Many people's dream is to own a Mercedes, but upkeep can be expensive. When you see the Mercedes A1 due on your dashboard, you're probably curious about the nature of the service and how much it will cost. We'll go over everything you need to know about this particular maintenance schedule in this video, including what steps are involved in a Mercedes A1 service, how much it usually costs, and how long it will take. What is a Mercedes A1 service? The A1 service is an integral part of Mercedes-Benz's extensive program, just like other maintenance services. This is the first planned maintenance to ensure optimal performance from your brand new Mercedes. The flexible service system adjusts maintenance based on driving and time. Consider the A1 as a basic maintenance program designed to keep your Mercedes in top shape. The A1 optimizes performance through fluid checks, replacements, and component inspection, albeit with less robustness than a B service. The A1 service ought to be completed after a vehicle has driven 10,000 miles or 12 months. Since the FSS determines the precise timing, two different vehicles may have different due dates. What does this service include? The Mercedes A1 service includes an extra A1 specific service item in addition to the typical A service tasks. These services and the reasons they are required are listed below. Replace brake fluid. Replacing the brake fluid is one of the main elements of the A1 service. Brake fluid accumulates impurities and moisture over time, which can reduce performance. Poor braking, erratic pedal feel, and in severe situations, total brake failure can result from not changing the brake fluid on a regular basis. Replace synthetic motor oil. It is a given that the engine oil be changed to full synthetic as with any A or B service. With premium synthetics, you can safely drive 10,000 miles or until your B1 service is due without sacrificing lubrication because they resist breakdown much longer than conventional oil. It's crucial to follow Mercedes' recommended oil change schedules because even premium oils eventually lose their lubricating qualities with use and time. Therefore, even though synthetic oil lasts a lot longer than conventional oils, regular maintenance still requires periodic refreshing of the oil. Replace oil filter. During the service, the Mercedes mechanic will replace the engine oil and install a brand new OEM oil filter. Contaminants and debris that may accumulate in the oil over time are largely captured by the oil filter. The cleaned oil can flow freely through the engine thanks to a new oil filter. This prolongs the period between changes in the synthetic oil's lubricating qualities. Check fluid levels. Vital fluids including the transmission, coolant, power steering, brake, and washer fluid are all meticulously inspected and topped off. Proper fluid level maintenance helps ensure that vital parts under the hood remain properly lubricated and cooled, as well as safe and efficient operation. Check tire pressure. The tires, including the spare, are examined and inflated to the appropriate pressures advised by Mercedes as part of the A1 service. Maintaining the proper tire pressure is crucial because improperly inflated or underinflated tires are more likely to fail, wear out more quickly, and reduce handling and traction as well as fuel efficiency. Check brake components. A comprehensive brake inspection by a Mercedes technician is part of this service. The high-performance brake system in your car will be thoroughly inspected, including the calipers, rotors, and brake pads. They will inspect the brakes for any abnormal wear, damage, or other problems that might potentially affect their ability to brake. Service cost. You might be curious about the price of a Mercedes A1 service. Depending on where you take it, prices can change. The official Mercedes dealership, a standalone store, or a mechanic referred by friends or family are your options. This kind of service at a Mercedes dealership should cost, on average, between $300 and $600. The precise price is determined by your location and the Mercedes model in question. To find the best deal, it's a good idea to get quotes from several stores. Generally speaking, independent mechanics charge less than dealers. However, be sure to choose one with a good reputation who is skilled in Mercedes maintenance and preferably specializes in Mercedes or German vehicles.